So over here you can see that I got book pages right here and they are in a certain format. But let's say what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go around on to auto layout and clear out the layout right here. So I got nothing right here. So now if I were to go around onto the page section right here, then what I can actually do is I can go ahead and add in different pages as I want right here in the book. For example, if I were to click on add page, then you got a page right here. You can also go ahead and click on add blank, and then you can see that I can add in a blank page right there. You can go ahead and click on add blank to add in more right there. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and choose different layouts. Like you can go around for 3 layouts or 4 layouts or green or creative layout right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you got a portfolio like layout, so you can go ahead and choose as you want right here, and that layout is there as you can see. You can go around over here as well and then choose another layout as you like right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and choose this one right here, and then this particular layout is here. So now what I can also do is I can go ahead right here and let's say for example go ahead and then I can go ahead and bring in this image over here according to how I like. So I can simply go ahead and keep that image right there, maybe keep this image right here, and so forth. You can see that this is how you can arrange. You can also go around over here onto one page view right here, and this is what you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the book page option inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.